In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customized active lists of customers in HubSpot CRM. Let's dive into this quick and straightforward guide to streamline your workflow and better manage your customer interactions. First, start by navigating to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot URL to reach their site. If you're a regular user, this page will look familiar. If not, don't worry. It's a user-friendly platform you'll get used to in no time. Once you've landed on the homepage, locate and click on the login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Logging in ensures you have access to all your customer data and CRM tools that HubSpot provides. After logging in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot dashboard. From here, navigate to the CRM section. This is where all customer relationship management actions take place and where we'll start creating active lists. In the CRM view, you'll notice a panel or menu with various options. Look for lists and click on it. Lists are where you organize and segment your contacts based on specific criteria that matter to your business. It's an essential tool for targeted communication and efficient customer management. Once you're in the list section, click Create List to start building your customized list. Creating lists helps you segment customers, making it easier to manage campaigns, follow-ups, and reports. In the list creation view, you'll be asked to choose between a static or an active list. For this tutorial, select Active List. Active lists automatically update according to the criteria you set, making them ideal for maintaining an up-to-date collection of customers who meet specific conditions. As you configure your active list, consider which attributes define your target segment. The strength of an active list lies in its ability to dynamically adjust as new data streams in. Whether you segment by location, company size, behavior, or any other metric, active lists ensure your strategies remain relevant and efficient. Once you've set your parameters, give your active list a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to identify later. Finally, click Save and you're done. You've successfully set up a customized active list in HubSpot CRM. Now, you can easily manage customer data, maintain meaningful relationships, and run smarter campaigns.